A fresh look at MrBeast reveals a philanthropic engine built on transparent experimentation and selective risk-taking that invites audience participation. By openly sharing metrics, trials, and evolving rules, he converts curiosity into trust and turns viewers into co-creators of impact. His most viral moments arise not from bigger cash gifts alone, but from ritualized challenges that frame generosity as a shared journey rather than a one-sided spectacle. Behind the scenes, partnerships with nonprofits and local communities show a sustainable approach that embeds lasting benefits beyond the thrill. This narrative empowers aspiring creators to design generous ideas that scale without compromising integrity.